The first alien ships appeared over Earth's major cities on a Tuesday morning, their sleek silver hulls gleaming against the blue sky. My team Identical vessels hovered motionless above London, Tokyo, New York, and a dozen other metropolitan centers. "Sir, we're receiving a transmission," reported Lieutenant Amy Foster, her fingers dancing across the communication console. The main screen flickered, revealing a tall, pale figure with elongated limbs and large, dark eyes. When it spoke, the universal translator rendered its words in cold, mechanical tones. "Primitive inhabitants of this world, you have been selected for incorporation into the Dominion fleet. Your planet's resources will be harvested, and your species will serve as labor units. Resistance is futile." Jake clenched his jaw. Hours earlier, Earth had been preparing for the annual Global Peace Summit. Now they faced extinction. The alien fleet consisted of over 300 vessels, each one bristling with weapons that could level entire cities. Earth's military forces, impressive by human standards, seemed laughably inadequate against such technology. "What's our status report?" Jake asked his chief engineer, Dr. Lisa Park. "Not good, sir. Our most advanced fighters barely scratched their shields. Their energy weapons can punch through our best armor like paper. We need a miracle." That miracle came from an unexpected source, Dr. Tom Reed, a materials scientist who had been studying the wreckage of a crashed alien scout ship, burst into the briefing room with wild eyes and coffee-stained clothes. "I figured it out," he announced breathlessly. "Their technology isn't magic. It's just incredibly advanced materials science. The problem is, we can't manufacture their alloys with our current industrial base. So we're stuck," Jake said grimly. "Not exactly." Tom pulled up holographic displays, showing massive junkyards across the planet. "What if we don't try to build new ships? What if we transform what we already have?" The plan that emerged was audacious beyond belief. Instead of attempting to construct vessels from scratch, Earth's engineers would salvage every piece of advanced technology from the alien crash sites and integrate it into existing human machinery. The world's largest scrapyards became battlegrounds of creativity and desperation. In the Nevada desert, a team led by engineer Bob Hughes worked around the clock to transform a massive pile of decommissioned aircraft carriers into something unprecedented. They stripped away the conventional propulsion systems and welded alien gravity manipulators to the hull. The electromagnetic catapults designed for launching jets were modified to fire projectiles at relativistic speeds. "The beauty of it," Bob explained to his exhausted team, "is that we're not trying to replicate their technology perfectly. We're creating hybrids that they won't expect." Meanwhile, in Detroit, former automotive engineer Kate Wilson supervised the conversion of abandoned factories into spacecraft production facilities. Teams of welders, mechanics, and technicians worked with salvaged alien components to create something that looked like it belonged in a junkyard, but functioned with deadly efficiency. "These ships won't win any beauty contests," Kate told her workers, "but they'll surprise the hell out of our visitors." The transformation wasn't limited to large vessels. Motorcycle mechanics in Thailand welded alien shield generators to racing bikes, creating incredibly fast reconnaissance units. In Brazil, a team of engineers mounted alien weapon systems on construction equipment, turning bulldozers and excavators into mobile artillery platforms. 3 weeks after the initial invasion threat, Earth's improvised fleet was ready. The vessels looked like mechanical nightmares, cobbled together from spare parts and alien technology. rust stains mixed with gleaming alien alloys. Human welding seams ran alongside perfectly smooth alien interfaces. They were ugly, asymmetrical, and absolutely terrifying. Admiral Elena Rodriguez, promoted to lead the hastily assembled fleet, stood on the bridge of the flagship. A converted oil tanker, now bristling with alien weapons and human ingenuity. Through the viewport, she could see the alien fleet maintaining their positions above Earth's cities. All units. This is Admiral Rodriguez. Today, we show these visitors what happens when you underestimate human creativity. They brought advanced technology to a scrap metal fight. The battle lasted 6 hours. The aliens, expecting to face primitive projectile weapons and chemical rockets, instead encountered vessels that defied their tactical computers. Earth's hybrid ships moved with alien grace, but fought with human unpredictability. Shield harmonics, calibrated for their own technology, failed against the chaotic energy. Signatures of human-alien hybrids. The turning point came when Bob's converted carrier launched a salvo of relativistic projectiles that punched through the flagship's shields, like they weren't there. The alien command vessel, a kilometer-long masterpiece of advanced engineering, was crippled by what amounted to a flying junkyard. As the surviving alien ships retreated toward the edge of the solar system, their final transmission carried a note of something that might have been respect. Your species possesses an unusual capacity for adaptation. The Dominion will remember this. Standing among the wreckage of the hastily built fleet, Jake Martinez looked up at the clear sky and smiled. Half of Earth's improvised warships had been destroyed, but they had won. More importantly, they had proven that sometimes the best response to superior technology wasn't to build something better, but to build something completely unexpected. The scrapyards of Earth had become the birthplace of a new kind of warfare, one where human ingenuity mattered more than advanced manufacturing. As cleanup crews began salvaging the salvageable from both human and alien wrecks, engineers were already designing the next generation of hybrid vessels. Earth's junkyard navy had saved the world.